What's up guys, Julene here. Welcome back to my channel. So if you're anything like me, you wait until the very last minute to get holiday gifts. This Christmas, I did all the research for you so you don't have to. Most of the gift options are under $100 and I curated a pretty extensive list so you have plenty of options to choose from. So let's take a look at some of the gifts that you can get this year for Christmas. First up is one of my favorite stores, Lulu Georgia. I literally stopped when I saw this Atlas brass pepper meal. It is so beautiful. It has all of these beautiful detailing in the brass, and I think it's a great gift because it's a very practical one. There's a very low chance that someone would not need a pepper grinder unless they already had one, but this one is so unique and beautiful, and it acts as a decor piece in your kitchen. It's not only functional, but it's also really beautiful. And I think the asking price is pretty reasonable. Lulu Georgia is a very good company and they make high quality products, so you're investing in a product that's gonna be long lasting. Next up from Lulu Georgia is this cream and brown wool throw. I think you can't go wrong with a throw. If it doesn't go in the bedroom, it can go in the living room, or you put it in the dining room or the family room. There's lots of places that people can use a throw, and throws are also something that people use and switch out seasonally. So if they can't use it now, maybe they can use it later on. I really love the colors in this throw. I think it's very elegant. You know me, I love a good earth tone, a good brown color, so I would highly recommend getting this throw. It's very, very beautiful and it would make a really, really great gift. Another thing that I like about this throw is that it can be used in a variety of styles. You see that wide checkered pattern? It reminds me of farmhouse, but it can also be used in traditional. It can also be used in modern design. So that's one thing I love about this as well, is not only is it timeless, but it can be used and applied to a variety of different styles. Okay guys, so last at Lulu Georgia is this narrow vase. Now this is very beautiful and it's only $40, so this would actually be a really great decor holiday gift. I like the little black detailing around the vase. I like the clay-like texture. And I love that it's a neutral color. You can never go wrong with black. It'll work in a lot of different spaces. Okay, next is Amazon. I chose Amazon because it's very affordable and it has everything you could possibly think of, and most of all, you will most likely get your gifts in time because Amazon delivers extremely fast. I don't know about the other companies if you'll get them in time. I think by the time you'll see this, it'll be close to mid-December. So if you're watching this, you better hurry up and order. I don't know how quickly they can get it to you. But with Amazon, you have a pretty good chance of getting it on time. The first thing with Amazon that I saw was this Marshall speaker. Now this is $300. I know I said mostly everything would be $100, but again, this is so classic. It looks so beautiful in the home. I've seen it in a variety of my friends' homes and it just really stands out. It's, again, functional because you can listen to music, entertain, but it looks beautiful. The design is just perfect and it's neutral. So, you know, it'll go with any space. I think they had a variety of colors, but I think I chose the black color to show you guys. And I mean, I don't know, who doesn't listen to music? And I just think you can't go wrong with a Marshall speaker. Go for it. But that's like if you're like, it's a really special gift because it is a little higher, so give it to somebody who deserves it. Okay guys, so I have another woven throw here. This one is a good alternative to the first one that I showed you at Lulu Georgia. This one is black. It's a black plaid. It's a black plaid. That's a tongue twister. This one is a black plaid throw and it's only $30 and it looks beautiful. So if you don't want to spend $100 on a throw, you can spend $30 on a throw, and this one has a very similar look. Again, it can work in a variety of styles, so no matter what the person's style is that you give it to, there's a very high chance that it'll end up going with their style. I'm doing a room makeover. I think maybe like 3 more videos so you guys see that. So make sure you put in your notifications so you don't miss it. It's gonna be a beautiful makeover. I'm gonna be painting the room black. It's a bedroom makeover and it's gonna be all black. And I think this throw and the Lulu and Georgia one would look really nice in it, especially the Lulu and Georgia one, because I don't want to have too much black. But stay tuned, make sure you subscribe and put on your notifications so you don't miss it, because that one is going to be probably one of my favorite ones so far. Next, from Amazon, we have this beautiful carved wood bowl for, I think it's around $75. This bowl is so beautiful. I just continue to find nicer and nicer things as I go through Amazon. They're really stepping it up with their suppliers, and I just love this bowl. I think it would be beautiful in the kitchen and the dining room. It has a bit of a tribal design to it, and yet at the same time it's very like fresh and kind of has like a Japan-y vibe to it. It's just very beautiful. It looks very handcrafted and it looks expensive, even though it's only $75. So I think this is a really great decor item for a gift. I made sure to get a lot of Amazon options just so you guys can have that fast delivery and have some really good affordable options. So this next glass set is one of my favorites because it looks like a vintage glassware set. I've mentioned to you guys before that I love vintage glassware. If you watched my last video, I went thrifting with my mom and I ended up buying this beautiful set of vintage glassware. It had this brown color to it. It was so beautiful. But anyway, these do remind me of a vintage set just because of the detailing on them, the unique shape to them. They're really good for hosting. Whenever I see dishware like this, it gets me excited to host people because it gives people an experience. When you have really unique, beautiful pieces, it makes people feel like it's an experience, like it's an event, you know? So just don't be basic. Don't be basic, just, you know, get that extra detailing in your items because it really does give you a little extra life when you do things like host or just sit down for an evening dinner. Okay guys, so now let's look at Walmart. Almost all of you should have a Walmart somewhere nearby. So if you have to run out and do some last minute shopping, these are great options for you. First up is the Ninja Professional Blender. Now this blender I can vouch for because I have it. I just used it this morning for a green smoothie and let me tell you, it works wonders. It's so efficient. It blends so well. Your stuff comes out so smooth and I just love it. I think it's great. It's not a decor item, but I mean, it is an item for the house and it's $50 at Walmart. Very affordable. Most people would love to get something like this because again, it's very practical. So yeah, I would definitely get this for someone in my family if we didn't already have it. Next at Walmart is this matcha tea set. You guys know I love matcha. It's so amazing. And this set is pretty good. It comes with the matcha bowl, the matcha whisk, the matcha stir, the matcha teaspoon, everything you need to make a master matcha. Now, not everybody drinks matcha, but hey, introduce somebody to something new. You never know. I think it's, well, I don't know. Not everybody likes the taste of matcha. But if you know someone who likes matcha, this is a great gift. It's $43 at Walmart. I didn't even know they sold this, and I think it's a really good gift option. Actually, no, sorry, it's $65 at Walmart. It's pretty basic. It doesn't have any like intricate designs in the bowl, but it is a pretty cool gift. And my last suggestion for gifts from Walmart is this brass candleware set. I think that this set is so beautiful. It comes with a variety of candlestick holders and it looks like something that you would get at a high-end store like CB2 or Lulu in Georgia. I think that they're very beautiful, that it's a classic design, and that they would make an amazing Christmas gift. Okay, next up is my favorite store, and that is CB2. You guys, anytime I say CB2, my heart just beats like super fast because I love that store so much. The first gift is way above what I said the cap would be. This first gift is a basketball hoop, and it comes in at a whopping $1,500. Now, this is if you have some straight A kid who you just want to bless, who's always been talking about getting a basketball hoop in their house. Or if you just got it like that. I don't know, maybe you do, but I just thought this was so cool, so I had to put it in here. It's a black basketball hoop with a gold rim, and it just looks so stylish. It's literally the nicest basketball hoop I have ever seen. And one thing about arcade games is they look so ugly. They are just such an eyesore usually. Like we used to have an air hockey machine, and it was just, as kids it was fun, but I'm sure as an adult it's like, oh, this thing is an eyesore. You know, it's hidden in the basement where no one can see it because it's just not nice to look at. But honestly, this basketball hoop is the nicest arcade game that I've ever seen, and I think it would make a really awesome gift, and any kid would be excited to get this. Next up at CB2 is this teak wood and black bowl. It's so beautiful. It looks handcrafted. It has a very intricate design, very organic. I would see this in like a wabi-sabi, japandi, or even a modern design. It's just absolutely beautiful. I love the detailing in there, and I think it would make an amazing gift. So this bowl comes in at $50, and I think that's a fair price to ask for this bowl, just because it's so unique and beautiful, and it looks handcrafted. Also, CB2 is a very high quality store, so anything that they make is gonna be a good investment and last you a long time. Okay guys, so next is my favorite item that I've listed so far. It's also the cheapest item that I've listed. It's on sale at CB2, and it's this Franklin barware. Now, tell me this isn't the most beautiful glassware that you have ever seen. It's only $12.90, I think $12.95. Yeah, $12.95. You guys, that is an amazing deal. I'm gonna go get this. It's my personal style. That's the only thing. It's not everybody's style, but I think they are just so gorgeous. And I might treat myself and get it for myself for my own Christmas gift. Or maybe my mom, but she watches pretty much all my videos, so Mom, if you're watching this and you like those, go ahead and drop it in the comments. Also guys, I really appreciate you watching. I do ask if you could leave a comment on what your favorite gift was. I'd love to know. Comments do help me, and make sure to subscribe and turn on your notifications. So that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I will see you next week. Thanks again for watching, and have a great day. Happy shopping. Bye. Love you guys.
So grab your stocking above the fire. Bells are rocking to the choir. No, nothing else is the same. Waking up on Christmas Day. Waking up on Christmas Day.